Hey, so I'm remodeling this bathroom space and I just wanted to talk to you about some lighting solutions or a lighting solution that I came up with that's pretty cool when you don't want to install electricity in an area. I have a shelving system over here that's going to be installed, but I needed some lighting to kind of bring light to that as I walk from the bathroom into the closet. So I'm going to the lighting is installed in the ceiling. If you can see there, it looks like a can light, and I'll show you what it looks like on as well. The shelving will be here, the light is right above me, and the remote is here. When you click it, and I'm gonna go ahead and click it so you can see, the light came on, and I'll pan my camera up. See the light, it's on. It will stay on for about 1 minute because I pushed the 1 minute option, then it'll shut off. The cool thing is, this remote on this system is completely removable. I won't be removing it because I'll lay it around somewhere and I'll lose my remote and I won't have it anymore. So I'm just gonna leave it in the housing, just like a light switch. So when I come out of my bathroom, it'll be there and I can just click it. Pick out clothes or whatever it is I need in this area. So thought you'd like to know about this cool lighting solution that does not require electricity and conserves batteries. What a smart choice.